Hey there! After the vaccination registration for people above age 18 has started, a new fraud message is spreading. The message is tricking user to download a fake Android app to get registered for free. Remember, the app is not a legitimate one and is not authorized by the government. First, let's check what the installation of app leads to. The URL provided in the message is leading to a website that something looks like this. Let's download the app. Make a note that the app is not being downloaded from the official Play Store. It is downloaded as a APK file from some unknown source. Hence it is the first sign that it might be dangerous. Let's install it. After installation, it asks for few permissions. First it asks for the contact permission, then it asks for SMS, make and manage phone calls, and finally for the device's location. After providing all permission, the app disappeared. Now it is doing what it was intended for, getting details of your contacts, messages, location, and maybe sending them to someone secretly. Let's check it in the apps folder. Found it. But it is not present in the home screen. This proves that the app definitely has some malicious intentions and is definitely a fake one. Beware of such messages and apps which are committing fraud in name of vaccination. For vaccine registration, go to the official authorized portal of Government of India. Remember to download application only from the official app stores only. Remain vigilant, remain secure.